A lot of these streets are completely flooded.
Yeah, guys, we were actually stuck for a minute. You can see there are a lot of cars here who are coming off the on-ramp. Many of the cars stuck. There's also lots of flooding happening here. So to get onto the on-ramp going to New Orleans East is blocked off right now because of, the weather conditions and the flooding that we're seeing here. We're actually still seeing cars braving it, driving through the flooding that's happening right here. Obviously very dangerous, especially if your car is low to the ground. We had to pull over and park on the neutral ground here because we didn't want to risk it driving through this weather. There are some cars that are already stuck right here. You can see they're going to have to be towed out. But again, they have this on-ramp closed off going back towards New Orleans East because of the flooding. It's just a really unfortunate situation. We didn't expect for the weather to be like this and to happen so quickly. So yeah, everybody is just kind of sitting and waiting until this water starts to kind of recede so that we can eventually move and go to the locations where we need to go. But a lot of us are stuck right here right now because of these weather conditions. And you can see the water is really not letting up. There was a tow truck that was over here that was trying to start pulling some of the cars out. But again, there's just so much water, you can't even do it right now. So yeah, a lot of us are just trying to wait until this water recedes and trying to figure out alternate routes that we can take while these weather conditions persist. Guys, going to send it back to you in the studio.